Hello, learners! How to solve XAMPP install error problem and how to uninstall XAMPP. Don't skip this video. Open the setting, click the app, find the apps and features. Scroll down. Find the XAMPP. Click the three-dot line and uninstall. Again, this process. And see, the uninstall process is run. Restart your computer. Let's solve the XAMPP install problem. Here is the problem. Let's find the solution. Open this PC. Click the C drive. Select the XAMPP folder, then delete the folder. Again, try to install XAMPP. See, the install process is run. Thanks for watching this video.